DIY videos have flooded the social media platforms and can cover everything from refurbishing your old furniture to new uses of Coca-Cola. It seems a person in China is taking this to the next level with his instant noodle repair trick. There are videos showing someone using ramen noodles to fix a large hole in a porcelain sink and another fixing a broken tile, complete with seasoning and covering it with what looks like glue before being sanded down and spray painted to look like the original. Let that sink in.